Okay. Yeah. So, it's 2:30 in the morning right now, and I was sleeping, and you woke me up from your snoring, so I decided to take this video. You're not snoring as loud anymore, but literally, it's like you're having a heart attack in your sleep, but like, it's like a pig heart attack. It was like, I don't even know. It's like a pig heart attack. That's what it sounded like a dying squirrel maybe. Mix them all together, and that's what it sounded like, and literally it was so loud it woke me up, and it's not as loud anymore, but it was so loud. Oh my god. Be quiet. So I took this video just to, embarrass you, because December 22nd is Embarrass Day Day, and it's 2:30 in the morning, and I don't know why I'm up, and I'm kind of talking to myself, so yeah, this will be on Facebook, maybe tomorrow, the next day.